Hey guys, today is April 9th. My name's Ricky,
My name is Luis.
and we have some birthdays for you today, like Jake Semper,
Jose Navarro,
Whitney Lopez,
Gabriel Gonzalez,
Lyndon Up.
and Tara Hills.
Happy birthday.
Good morning, Hunter. Softball, Hunter at West. Tennis, Granger at Hunter. Soccer, Granger at Hunter. Have an awesome day, guys.
Sup, guys? So the after-school program is going to have lots of activities this week. Like today, the board game club will be in C214. Tomorrow, the homework club will be in B205. For Little Caesars Pizza, Thursday. And on Friday, the 3-on-3 intramural basketball. But you have to see Mr. Ashcroft by this Wednesday to sign up your teams.
U.S. government and U.S. history are having a credit recovery discount for only $10. It is 8 sessions long, and you have to go all 8 sessions to get your credit recovered.
Hey guys, the Hunter High Dance School presenting their show called Time Flies, April 11th through the 13th at 7 p.m. in the auditorium. The cost is $3 for students and $5 for adults, so you guys should go.
Any seniors that are planning to attend the U of U, Salt Lake Community College, or UVU, please see your counselor for any applications for a $1,000 scholarship through the Key to Success program. The applications are due back on April 15th, so apply.
Hey guys, it's pretty dang cold today, so wear a jacket. Okay.
Goodbye from Xworks.
하나, 둘, 셋.